Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning market webcast. Okay, I hope everybody had a great holiday weekend. We're back to it this morning, and what we're seeing now is you saw some support in the area of 26.27 and through some of these truncated holiday sessions, and you're seeing the bounce from that now. We've bounced as high as 26.66 even. Let's just hop right over to the hourly chart. You can see the new weekly pivot there at 67.25. So basically, you had a look on Thursday in the Globex non-RTH at a 27 low. Friday we went down and we did 26. So 26.27, and now what you're seeing is the latest rally, the latest pop, and it's a decent size one. It's 40 handles. So the issue really is, it's not the fact that we're popping 40 handles. It's fine. It's what are the bears going to do with it? Is it going to be another lower high to a lower low? Whether or not it can convert weekly pivot is going to tell us everything we need to know about the validity of this rally. So I'm currently flat. Thought about getting long last night, but I was so busy I didn't do it, and I wake up to this. Usually this is the trade I like to take in the morning, right? When you've got some distance between price and the weekly pivot. They decided to do it in the middle of the night without me. That's trading. It is what it is. You're not going to catch every move in the market. It's been a great month. So this one I got to sit out. Now, my snap reaction to being on the sidelines for this move, though, can't be, well, I'm going to short it. Okay. Well, that's how to really get screwed up in a rally. And don't think for a minute that people haven't been shorting this all the way up for 40 handles. I'm sure they have. We got to wait and see. We got to let this thing open up. We got to see what weekly pivot wants to do, and then make a determination. Then, are there lower highs to short, and where's risk? Well, I have a feeling risk is going to be at 67.25. If it converts weekly pivot, then it really can start to make its way back up towards the roundy there at 2,700. If somehow the bulls can convert the roundy to support, then it becomes interesting with 5 trading days left in the month that you've got the monthly pivot in the 200-day on the continuation chart, exponential 200-day on the continuation chart, locked up at 27.50. I'm not saying we're going to 27.50. I just think it's interesting that those two things are locked up there. I don't know what we're going to do until we figure out what it wants to do here. Okay? Everything else flows from that. We remain absolutely in a sell rallies tape. We have been now below the 200-day, whatever variety you like, for going on 10 trading sessions. Might even be more than that. So this is an environment that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Sorry. So this is an environment the market has not found itself in quite some time. It is a true sell rallies market. It's a market that has lived below the 200 now for the majority of the time, with the exception of a few sessions in early November, that's been living below the 200 since October the 22nd. It's more than a month. So let it open up today. Let's see what weekly pivot wants to do. If it's resistance, we saw that rally. If it's support, we have to look for 2,700. And the shorts are always primed to be squeezed, but it works both ways. You've got a lot of hopium longs that are going to be in late on this rally, and if you start to knock them out of bed, then you're going to get what you've gotten on all of these other rallies, which is a move all the way back to 26. That's the byproduct, and that's the nature of the beast in a sell rallies tape. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with some stuff on social. Be sure to check that out. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.